Hey guys, the brand sent me this cordless leaf blower for free so I can check it out and create this video. I wanted to show you the features and how it works. Now, before I take it outside and show you how it works, I wanted to run through the features. Now, the first thing you're gonna notice about this is it's very lightweight. I was really surprised by just how easy this is to hold. The handle is very ergonomic, but despite that lightweight nature, everything looks very solid and high quality. They also provide you with a nice strap, so if you didn't want to just hold it, you want to put it around your shoulder, you got that option as well. The other nice thing about this brand is they give you not only one, but two batteries. So to remove them, it's real simple. You're simply going to press down here and pull the battery out. Then you're going to have this backup battery here, so if this one runs out of power, you have another one. But each battery can provide over 2 hours of leaf blowing power. And of course, this charger is provided as well. Just clip it on, starts to charge right away. The best part about this leaf blower is how well it works. Now, the first thing about this is very easy to use. You're simply going to press the power button here. Now it's going to start off in the low mode. That mode is perfect for freshly cut grass or dust on a porch. Now, if you press the speed button again, you're going to go into the second fastest mode. That one's going to be perfect for the general leaf blowing of dry leaves and debris. Now, here's the third and most powerful mode. That one's perfect for blowing piles of wet leaves or light fluffy snow. Now, let's take it outside and see how it works. Now you can see as I'm blowing around out here how powerful this leaf blower is. You can see all the dirt and debris moving quickly out of the way. And as I shift between the low, medium, and most powerful setting, you can see the energy and the power with which it blows and cleans all the debris. So it's powerful and high quality, but still light and ergonomic. And I would definitely recommend this for anyone who's looking for a rechargeable cordless leaf blower.